HART Converters and Gateways from ICP DAS USA. The HART, or Highway Addressable Remote Transducer protocol, uses the Bell 202 frequency shift keying standard to superimpose digital communication signals on a 420 mA loop current. The digital signal can be used for additional device information including device status, diagnostics, additional measure calculated values, etc. Therefore, the HART communication, including analog and digital information, provides a low-cost and very robust complete field communication solution that is easy to use and configure. HART is a master-slave protocol, which provides up to 2 masters, and the secondary master, such as a handheld, can be used to monitor or control the information of HART bus. It can be used in various modes such as point-to-point or multi-drop, for communicating information to and from smart field instruments and central control or monitoring systems. The HART series is relatively easy to understand and use, a no-risk solution for enhanced field communication, compatible with standard 420 mA wiring, simultaneous transmission of digital data, risk reduction through a highly accurate and robust protocol, increases plant availability, reduces maintenance cost, and improves regulatory compliance. The HRT 310 and HRT 710 gateway is specially designed for the master device of HART protocol. It allows the Modbus master to access the HART devices. These HART devices may be a transmitter, an actuator, and so forth. In addition, we also provide the software utility HC tool for module configuration and HART device diagnosis. By using these modules, users can integrate their HART devices into Modbus network easily and quickly. To learn more about our HART products, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.